You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these phrases in English once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more pronunciation, clarify more pronunciation, stay tuned. Thank you for calling. I could say myself, thank you for watching this video. Thank you for calling. Thank you for calling. English pronunciation, how to pronounce. Thank you for calling. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.